Hey guys, got an abutment design that we're going to correct here. Hopefully a couple tips and tricks that I can share with you guys. First thing, I hate the auto adapt. Just makes it more work than it needs to be. You get all this jaggedy stuff right here, and obviously that's not good on the mill. We need everything as uniform as possible, so I always turn that crap off. Another thing, when we're trying to design the shape of, in this case, a molar, we want the bottom of the abutment to be shaped more like a molar. This one is a little too oval for my liking. I like that there is that number of points, green dots in each section. I don't like the shape of it. It's too oval. We need a rectangle here. So I'm going to go ahead and just adjust that. I'm not worrying about the top, I'm just worrying about the bottom shape right now. This is also going to be a screw-retained crown, so we need to make sure that our margin is below the tissue, which it is.
Are you using bite finder on all the bites now?
No.
It seems ever since you put the hinges on the back of these quadrants, the bites have all been fabulous.
Awesome.
At least all the ones I do.
Great.
Love these. But you don't do that on.
No, sorry about that. That's the usual my dad interrupting. So we will move on. Now top points, I want to mimic the same thing. Dots in the correct spot. Marginal ridge, we'll drop this down. Drop that down, let's move this up. It's good now, looks good. See the opposing. Too high, bring everything down. Okay, now this is good enough to start freeforming. So actually the first thing that I like to do is, I want these all even. I don't know. All these dots. Otherwise it creates these weird contours. And when you try to do split files, this is probably where you guys get where everything starts failing. Sometimes these split files come all the way down here like this. Your shoulder's way too sharp, so we can get a good angle at it. It's almost like an L. It's a no-no for the mill. It doesn't like it at all. So try to keep everything nice and even. Kind of like that. Alright, and I get a nice clean margin. This one's up a little bit too. I'm going to drop this down a little bit. Alright. And then we can bring it all in if you want more of a shoulder. Alright, now we can, if you want to freeform, here's a trick you gotta learn. You gotta delete the above abutment. Now you can freeform the abutment. Before it would only let you freeform the crown if you went back and tried to adjust the abutment. You kind of just smooth that out a little bit. Okay, check our screw channel. Screw channel's good, right in the middle where it is in the crown. Good. Alright. That looks good to me. Now we can clean up this crown. Cement cap border. Say milling, that's all my settings. I'll go ahead and hit OK. Now we can freeform the crown because it has a crown bottom. Before we couldn't. Clean up this margin. I'll always add too much and then go back and use it to smooth everything out. Like so. Oh, I don't like that. So that's just a pile of waiting to happen. I didn't notice that before. So I'll fix it. can be at tissue level. There we go. And get over there. Alright. Much better. Now I'll finish designing the crown. Like that. It would have been nice if the doctor would have cleaned up this contact over here. Now we just have a pinpoint, not ideal. Let's drop this down here. Yeah, these contacts aren't my favorite. Okay, we're out of occlusion. That's how they like them. Let's check it. 0.25. Yep. A little bit right here. Okay, and contact. Okay. It's alright. It's still, you know, a few tenths out. Contacts are good. Alright. And now we can merge the file. And then we want to put a hole in it. Make sure you click on screw holes. And it'll make it so much easier. It does it automatically. If you guys have never seen this, it beats freeforming and doing the attachment issue. So that's how you go ahead and finish a abutment design with a nice split file that should fit, you know, perfectly every time. I don't know if you guys have any. Oh, that needs to be fixed, but it's still, it will be okay. I don't know if you guys have any questions.